Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. 5th June this celebrated as World Environment Day every year. So I will tell you about few lines on how can we save the environment. Save water, use eco-friendly products, plant more trees, switch off the lights when not in use. Use cloth bags for shopping. Do not waste papers. Stop using plastic items. Prefer walking whenever possible. Avoid burning trash. Recycle and reuse. Use only organic fertilizers. Teach children to respect nature and the environment. Thank you for watching.